So the next chapter is chapter 2, which involves the cautions that you should take in the entire process. I want to list down all the cautions that you have to take at one place, and therefore I'm covering this as the next chapter. It is very important. There are several steps where you can make a mistake. So be very cautious, guys. Okay, so what are the cautions that you have to take in mind? So first thing, the entire process is online. Keep that in mind. And the deadlines are very, very strict, guys. Okay, so please keep in mind that there will not be any forum where you can file a plea in case if you are late for any event. Be very alert with this. I have seen cases where students have missed the deadlines because they moved to their village for, after the grill of the exam, they went to relax there. When they came back, the deadlines were over. So please be careful. Third point that you have to be very careful is that the names of the colleges can be misleading. In chapter 1 also, I told you that there is a college which sounds as triple IT, but it is not. So please be very careful with the names of the college. Don't assume things, even if they seem obvious. Better do a Google search, okay, or maybe try ChatGPT. Okay, in many colleges there are electrical as well as electronics department, and in some colleges there is only electrical department, which actually provides courses in electrical also and electronics also. So be cautious regarding that also. For example, in Kharagpur, the electrical department is different from the electronics department. Okay, and both the department offers course. So if you are choosing a course in electrical department, that's electrical engineering. If you are choosing a course in electronics department, that's electronics engineering. But in IIT Bombay, there is only one department, the name of which is electrical engineering, but that offers the electronics course as well. So when you make a choice in the choice list, it will appear as IIT Bombay electrical engineering, but in reality, that would be the electronics engineering. Electrical engineering would be referred to as energy engineering. So keep that in mind. And to help with that, we have actually developed a portal, vclever.com, where we have assigned branch tags to all the academic programs offered by various IITs and NITs. So those tags can help you identify the difference. We have clearly mentioned which are electrical and which are electronic. So your confusion can be cleared from there. Okay, and the choice list needs to be prepared very, very carefully, guys. This is a very important step. I'll tell you why. This is very important that you pay attention and listen to this very, very carefully. Suppose you made a list of 12 choices. Suppose that you were happy with the 12 choice list and you made it. After making it, you logged it. And let's say in round 1, you got 8th choice. Okay, let's say 8th choice was IIT Roorkee Chemical Engineering. Suppose. Okay, and your 9th choice was, let's say, IIT Kanpur Mechanical Engineering. Suppose. Later you discovered through your friends or by whatever means that you could have got the 9th choice. You got the 8th choice. You got IIT Roorkee Chemical, but your 9th choice was IIT Kanpur Mechanical. You later believe that I want IIT Kanpur Mechanical and it was available to me. Okay, at my rank, I could have gotten that. And now you want to get it. There is no way, there is absolutely no way in which you can get that now. There are chances that you can get academic programs which are above what you got in your list. Okay, but anything that you get in a certain round, anything below that, it is impossible to get it again. So it is very, very important that what you want more than the other should be higher in your list. Okay, if your choice number 3 is something that you would definitely want to have as compared to 4, 5, 6 or any other choice which is below 3, then it is a right list that you have prepared. So keep that in mind. You go, if later on you feel that I want a lower branch in my choice list and you have been allocated the higher one, there is no way in which you can get it. Okay, the only website where the entire process is being conducted is this one. So please be sure that you are not doing stuff at any other website. Okay, and you will be paying counseling fee. Okay, but remember that it is not equal to the seat acceptance fee. This is different. Okay, and when you are allocated seat in a round, the only way to continue to remain in the counseling process is to pay the fee. The moment you are asked to pay the fee and you refuse to pay the fee, your journey ends there. You are out of counseling. You will not be considered for any other program in any of the subsequent round anymore. And whatever was allotted to you, you are not getting that also because you did not pay the fee. So not paying fee is one of the way of rejecting the seat that you got. And this also means that your journey comes to an end. You can't expect that I will not pay the fee because I did not get what I wanted, so I'll wait for the next round. When I get it in the next round, then I will pay the fee. No, the moment you decide not to pay the fee, your journey ends there. Your counseling ends there. Okay, and if you move from IIT to NIT plus system, what do I mean by that? Suppose in round one you were allotted some IIT, you paid the fees, you accepted the seat, but you went with the let's say float option. Float option allows you to change of college in the subsequent branches. In the subsequent, and you did all the formalities, including the document verification. Then in the next round, you got a college from the NIT plus system. Let's say you got an NIT, which was higher in your list, and therefore you got it. Okay, then you will have to do the document verification again. So if you are allotted an IIT in one round, you have done the seat acceptance by paying the fee, you have done the document verification, and then in the subsequent round, if you continue to get IITs, then you don't need to do document verification again. Remember, this document verification would be done by JAB, the Joint Admission Board. Okay. But should you move to NIT in a subsequent round, then you have to do the document verification again, because the body which is responsible for admission to NIT, that will check your documents. So that body would be CSAB. So keep in mind that there are two different bodies which are allocating seats to IIT and NIT plus system. So each body will have their own document verification, but they will ask you to verify a document only once. Okay, so once you have got the IIT, you have done the document verification. If you continue to get IIT, no more need of document verification again. The moment you move to an NIT plus system in a subsequent round, you have to do the document verification again. This is true for the other way around also. In the first round, let's say if you got NIT plus system, and then later on you did the document verification. Later on you move to IIT system, IIT college. You have to then again do the document verification. Okay, and in case if you have planned to drop, this is very important. Do not forget to withdraw before the last round. If you have been allotted a seat and you don't withdraw, and then that seat is wasted because you chose not to withdraw, and you're not joining college also because you want to take a drop, then you will not be allowed in the advanced exam next year. Basically, this is IIT's way of punishing you for leaving a seat vacant, unutilized. There are people out there who want that seat. If you're not vacating it, you are wasting a seat in IIT, which is a huge amount of resource. All right, so be cautious with that. So guys, these are a few points of caution that you have to keep in mind. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much.